sixth graders, these are your metric notes that we will be using this week and next week as we get into the metric system. So the way that this will work is that you have something that looks like this on your page, and then you have some words down here. You are going to click on these words down here and you're going to drag them up to where they belong up here to go in front of your base unit, which we will learn about in class. So you're going to drag the prefixes to go with your base unit. The first day we're going to work on length. Then we're going to work on volume and mass. As we get into each of these, you can move this little white box down so that it is no longer covering those up, and eventually you can just hit delete and delete it. But we're just going to have it covered up for now so that it doesn't get in the way and that you don't get distracted by things that we are going to learn about in the next couple days. If you have any questions, feel free to send a message to your teacher and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day.